Hi guys, so it is Thursday morning. I'm doing the washing today. I'm undoing my hair and stuff. I just finished washing off a wig that I put outside. Started the washing and then it started to rain heavily and the washing is running. So that means I'm gonna just hang it on like chairs and stuff for it to dry. And I brought my wig back inside. But I'm about to undo my hair. I just want to show you guys like this stuff is so bad for edges and like it's always itching. It's just annoying. It really pulls on your hair like I wouldn't get it again ever. Alright, the rain stopped here. But I wanted you guys to see it, but it stopped now. Which is annoying. When it starts again, I'll be back.
Well, when you're in the house, it sounds like thunder. Child.
Guys, yeah, look.
You said aha and snapped your fingers.
I'm literally.
You wanna go out with Rosa's friend Katie? That's great.
So guys, look.
I know, but Rosa has this dumb rule about not. All right, I'll give you $200 and I'll never ask you for another phone.
30-inch bitch, watch how I slay. Get dismissed, I don't got time today.
My bitch on Beverly. Hey! Decay. Finally removed those demons where my edges was. Look, the stuff's still on my floor. I'm so dirty. Anyway, a girl is going out tonight. Okay. I'm so happy. I feel like I'm back. I feel like I'm me again. The colors, you know, guys. Ooh, I'm so happy. I've done a video on this hair on my other channel. It probably won't be out for a while, to be honest. Oh, my Uber guy's calling me. Hold on. Hi. Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm making my way. Huh? You taking someone away? Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fine. Bye.
Hi. That was Calvin. Sometimes I call him to take me because he speaks English, 1. 2, he gives me friend rates. And it's just convenient for me. But of course, I call him first to ask him the price. And if I feel like the price is too high, I'll just get like a normal Uber. Like I check it to see that he's not doing it too high. Because you never know. Some people will be robbing you blind, mate. Don't take people's... Don't take, yeah, whatever. Don't take my kindness for weak. That make no sense. But I'm super excited about going out tonight, mainly because I feel myself. And it's only going to be me and Tina because the boys are still at the farm. So I'm going to take a couple of pictures of myself right now for the YouTube video. And you guys know how it is. Right now is when I insert the Snapchat Chronicles. Oh my gosh, guys, look, see? 10,000 shillings, which is about £3 to get my nails done. Now I just get these tips, so they're basically glue on stick-ons and they file it down so it looks like acrylics, and it just looks really good, to be honest. Like 10,000 isn't bad. Like £3, I'm living my life. So outfit details today. I'm just wearing, I can't really show you guys, to be honest. Like I look a mess. Hold on, whose room can I go in? I can't go in Andrew's room because his bed's... Oh, let me just go in Andrew's room. Andrew's room's messy, but my room's even worse. So, alright, this is what I'm wearing. Ooh. An off-the-shoulder pink skirt, and my birthday heels because Tina's making me wear them. And that's it. So... yeah, like I said, I'm gonna go take some pictures now. I'm super like, I don't know how to explain how I feel right now. Like I don't really like wearing heels all the time. I get really like, I don't want to copyright. I both got copyright anyway. I feel really conscious, like when I wear heels, I don't want to look like a freaking antelope. So that's something. See, that's why my room stays a mess. Look at that way I flung that thing. So yeah, because of that. Anyway, like I said, guys, it's Snapchat Chronicle time. So bye, that means later. Look at her, she looks so beautiful. Okay, but you're ready. I'm putting you in my vlog like this, so don't be complaining.
We back at it again, Toilet Chronicles. What? Don't touch me.
Morning, guys. So I am heading to Spur to meet my brother. So I'm just waiting for my Uber. I'm gonna wait outside because they always seem to not know where they're going or don't follow the pin, and I don't want him to drive past me. But yes, it is Sunday, so I'm just gonna wait for this Uber outside. I hate doing. As in, I hate waiting for Ubers. And they always seem rude sometimes, except for my favorite Uber driver, Calvin. So yeah, let me see. It's car is a Toyota Corolla. I was so wrecked from the other night, like so wrecked and tired, so it is a whole day later. Well, that's all I can say really. I guess I'll see you guys when I get some ribs, some yummy pork.
I was gonna do ribs and buffalo wings, and then I get my starter. And my beer.
I want the same thing.
What, you want ribs and buffalo wings?
Yeah, I think so.
I want ribs and calamari.
Calamari does taste good. Sound good. Oh, sound good.
Give him some big. I just want to see what you do.
Actually, I had wings yesterday, so I'm gonna have wings and calamari. Ribs and calamari. They won't focus. So these are the onion rings. Which I'm not really a fan of. That's the calamari. There's tiny ribs. Munya's ribs are bigger than mine. I'm so jealous. And you actually just got a full rack of ribs.
One chicken wing. No, what the fuck?
Yours is bigger.
Do you want to trade one chicken wing for one?
Yeah, that's cool. Shade. You can take two because it's not really a fair trade. You're welcome. Guys, ooh, this ice cream is the bomb. Daddy, and I got to take it a takeaway. I'm so excited because I love whippy ice cream. But anyway, guys, look at Munya. Sick. Munya, take off your glasses. Take off your glasses. Show them. Look. Ew. Show this side of your head. Munya's got tatted lines.
I look amazing.
Anyway, so what we're
my wallet.
gonna do now?
we're gonna go to the shops, I think. I'm pretty much just
But part of me feels like we should just go home.
No, I need to buy all the stuff I would usually buy on the way to the
To the farm.
farm. So I need to buy water.
So we're going to the grocery store, guys.
Exactly.
How fun.
It should be
Especially when you're full.
I know, man.
But shopping when you're full is really good because you'll be quicker. You won't be strayed by hunger, so you won't buy unnecessary things.
Exacto.
And therefore, it saves money. If I don't like the songs. We're heading out. I'm back in the Defender, guys. Haven't you missed this car? I've missed it because I haven't had it for like a whole week. A whole bloody week. Oh, no. I hope it doesn't fall off. It wasn't that heavy.
My stomach.
I felt like that when I had the ribs. I'm telling you, that place, that's why I didn't want any more
My
ribs.
stomach wasn't too good before.
Oh no,
Are you
those,
recording this?
yeah, I'm recording right now.
No, man.
Those ribs were not.
Glasses, and I'm not.
Those ribs were not popping.
My
Guys,
ribs
those
were
ribs-
popping.
You know what's so funny?
ribs
We're
were
talking about
not
all this and I'm literally just about to eat some ice cream. My stomach's not too good, but I'm gonna eat lactose, which actually can make you have diarrhea.
I've been loving this song.
I like the quick
You know what's really funny, yeah?
I like the quick fuck.
I'm really funny who's gonna watch this. I can't wait for someone to watch their golden boy singing this song. Yeah, your son is singing this song. He's not so perfect anymore, is he? Yeah, about time they caught him. Okay, so Munya got the keys locked in the car because, you know, he's a fool. So now he has to try and get inside. Luckily, he left the sunroof open. He left the keys in the ignition. And we literally both just locked the car's door. He got in, guys. He got in, finally.
And now I can put it back.
And I had to cancel the Uber because I was gonna. Mia was like, call it Uber so you can go home and get the other keys. And I just called it and then I had to cancel it straight away. But we're glad. I really thought he wouldn't be able to fit in that gap, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, that is hard.
I did say it to you.
Yeah, you did.
Anyway, so now we're in, I've got the keys, and now we're gonna go to the shops. Hey guys, so we're heading to the farm. And I'm going with Kakasele and Andrew. The other lot went this morning in the Defender. Me and Andrew are going in the truck. So that's fun. Where do you want to sit? Wuss. Huh? See my handbag? No, I'm good. I'm good. Huh?
So kind of you.
I know. It's starting to rain. Look, it's raining.
Talking to me or your camera?
To everyone who is listening.
Kuelekea Kariakoo.
Build a Mikocheni.
Mikocheni.
See, I understand Swahili. Jokes, no. Obviously, it's simple. Hi, Emma. Yeah, so off we go. Start of our day. It is 12 o'clock though, which is late. Andrew looks so chilled.
I feel like a bag of crap. Ah shit, I remember my malaria pills.
You did. Right. Oh my god, I wasn't even recording! What the hell? Basically, guys, just went over the overpass and I was really excited, but you missed it all because my camera wasn't recording. That sucks. So guys, we are in the truck. It's a 3-seater. Yeah, Andrew looks kind of, you know, Andrew like a cyclist with them glasses.
yeye ni mfalme wa New
You're
York.
welcome. And there's Kagasele. And so we are going to the farm in the truck. I've never been in a truck before and I'm so excited, guys. It's so high up. You feel like you're literally watching everyone through like a TV screen. It's so cool. I would show you like the truck, but there's nothing to see like, except the radio is up there and stuff. So it looks like this inside. He's got his feet out. And yeah. Yes, that's it basically. I slept, guys, in the back of the Defender. And I slept there. Like, honestly. It's so cold. How I slept, right? Imagine I'm the sleeping bag and the plastic bags. Like this was here, this is here. This is exactly how it was for me to sleep on. Obviously without the plastic bag and the sleeping bags. Like, imagine. What an experience. Oh my gosh, look at them all running! I don't like it, I don't like it, I don't like it.
Yay! I made it strong.
So we're gonna try and get the fire going so I can make some porridge with Dory.
Daddy, it's very hard to find peanut butter.
Really?
Yeah, the lady gave us some for free though.
She gave you peanut butter for free?
Yeah, just a little bit. Like, it's her own homemade one.
Oh, that's nice.
It's very good.
You need loads though.
Do we? It's only, we have that much.
For a boy who grew up eating porridge Dory, this
But
is...
it'll have like a taste.
It needs like a whole thing.
It'll have a taste.
So you're about to see the fire to be put on the wood. Like it's literally a whole bark of like coal. Oh my gosh. Look at Selena.
Unaona Paida? Unachukua unaweka hapa.
Paida, try what Kagasele.
Oh no. I'm not touching the coal.
Hapo unawasha moto unakaa vizuri.
Mimi fresh.
So fresh.
I'm not doing that. That's why I'm not touching the coal.
Hapo sawa.
My hands will burn.
Hapo naweka hivi.
Oh, so we have two now.
Atelo ukiweka na majivu si ndio uzimiki.
Hapo hauzimiki tena.
Because we can put tea then. Porridge. It's popping.
Walete maji. Maji waje abandike vitu vyao hapo. Kama ni uji.
What's maji for? Maji kwa nini?
Maji.
Maji for cooking.
Oh, okay. I'm making porridge. Selena's chilling. Andrew's on the roof. Ah. And I look a mess. I actually hate chickens when I'm not eating them. The fire's too hot. It's too hot. It's gonna burn the bottom.
You can hear this sound.
I look so lazy. I look so lazy. It's burning my leg. Say hello to your little friend. Why haven't you done it if you know?
Because we don't have the fancy material.
This is the
Really,
point.
what we need to do
I
is
told
put
you
it
it's sweet.
Sina kusaidia kushika. Unachota.
Nikuongezee?
Kidogo.
Kumbe umeipenda.
So it's sweet, but you want more?
Yeah.
Very sweet.
Wait. It's sweet, but you want more.
It's sweet, so I want more.
Anyway, there's one does it. So the porridge is like gone down loads. We thank God. The tea is still being made by Selena and Andrew because they want to make a ginger tea concoction. Right? Is it just ginger and ginger you're putting in? Huh?
And cinnamon seeds.
And cinnamon seeds. Aren't the cinnamon seeds meant to be for the farm?
What?
Aren't the cinnamon seeds meant to be to plant?
No?
No.
Okay. And sugar. And tea leaves. Yum yum. Taste it.
No.
What do you think?
On the other side. The other one on the other side. To counterbalance it. And then flips. Over. Okay, you managed to do it, yeah. Oh yeah, that worked. That's the same thing I was thinking.
Yeah, it feels really unstable though.
I'm waiting for it to fall.
Oh my God.
I really want it to fall over.
That's mean, Pyder.
It's something you would do.
Standing in a fire.
You're standing right by the fire, Andrew. Hi guys. So currently, well, today is Friday, so that means it's like going out night. So I am just doing my makeup, recording a video, and I'm going out with Tina tonight. There's an event called No Tie After 5. Oh no. Final wear. Alright guys, I'm going out now. Morning guys. Oh, let me clean this camera. Ooh. So about last night, I came back home at like 3 AM so early because I was in such a bad mood yesterday with the whole like friend thing, and then like it was like mainly R&B music, and I like R&B music, but to like jam to, like I like dancing to. So close to wearing concealer, but I don't want to be wearing makeup today. So well, if I go out tonight, I don't think I'm gonna go out tonight. Do you guys think I'm gonna go out tonight? I don't think I'm gonna go out tonight. I'm with two of my monkeys today. You got Andrew Monkey, and then we've got Munya Monkey. We're getting an Uber because the vendor has to go for maintenance. There he is. No way, really? That's so cool. So we're going with Slipway. We're gonna have like coffee. Mate,
Really?
stairs.
Oh, mama. Bobo. Happy, mama.
Andrew, let's see an update of your arm. Why are you moving then?
It smells in it.
Yeah, I'm trying to. Oh, stop moving! Stay still. Goodness, it's like a baby. We're only out here researching sea urchins and how to eat them raw. Can't be seen.
You know, America doesn't look the same when you're there. Do you know where I'm coming from?
Yeah.
All the characters make it look so. When I was there, especially in San Francisco, like I was like, oh man, there are a lot of homeless people here. Like seriously, in San Francisco.
Me and Manya got passion fruit mojitos, and Andrew got some. What is that, Andrew?
Some stale beer.
What's it? What did you call it? IPA on tap. What does that mean?
India Pale Ale.
India.
Pale Ale.
It's got nothing to do with India.
Is it not?
I don't know. Someone explained to me it's got
This is good.
something else.
This is really nice. Ooh.
Yeah, that's what I was having.
Ooh. They make good.
Yes, the sushi is here, baby. I'm about to have some food. Finally, I'm so hungry.
Okay guys, so that is the end of the vlog. I really hope you enjoyed it. Check out my video on my other channel of me getting salon kind of results at home on my eyebrows. Yeah guys, so thank you so much for watching this vlog. Next